Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best mini split cover is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for maintaining the efficiency and aesthetic appeal of your home's ductless air conditioning system, offering a sleek and protective solution that shields your valuable equipment from dust, debris, and harsh weather elements, ultimately extending its lifespan and ensuring optimal performance season after season. Number 5. DuctlessAire Mini Split Line Set Cover Kit. This kit includes all the essential components you need to neatly organize refrigerant lines and electrical wiring during your AC or mini split system installation. Get everything required for a professional finish. Measuring 3 by 7.5 feet, this cover is fully adaptable for your specific installation. It can be trimmed and adjusted to ensure a precise fit and a clean, professional look in any area. With its optimal size, it provides reliable coverage for refrigerant tubing and electrical wiring. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use with your air conditioner or mini-split system. Designed for convenience, installation is quick and easy, even with basic tools. This helps homeowners and professionals complete projects efficiently, resulting in a clean and organized outcome. Engineered with robust, weather-resistant materials, it stands up to the elements. It ensures reliable protection for your system's refrigerant lines and wiring, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit provides all the essential components for a clean installation. It's designed to be paintable, allowing for a seamless look with your home's exterior. If you're looking for a comprehensive and customizable solution that offers robust protection for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a great choice. What people say. The size accommodated the refrigerant lines, insulated, drain line and control cable, not too loose and not too tight. The front of our house looks so much better after we installed the Hide-A-Line kit to cover the ugly, uncovered air conditioner, AC, line that the installer put across our house siding. The channel tubes are well made. Number 4. HOXHA 3W 10-foot L Mini Split Line Set Cover Kit. Get more for your money with our extended line cover set. It includes more integrated parts than other kits, so you won't need to buy anything separately. Installation is a breeze thanks to its design that allows for separation in the middle. You can easily install it in any home, new or existing, and create various combinations. Crafted from high-quality PVC, it offers excellent protection for your pipes and wires. This durable material shields them from environmental changes, extending the life of your air conditioner. This cover is designed to fit most mini-split or central AC systems. It's suitable for a wide range of capacities, from 700 to 18,000 BTU. Keep your pipes and cords tidy and protected while enhancing your unit's lifespan. You can even paint it to perfectly match your exterior for a seamless look. What we like. Offering a generous length and more integrated parts than many competitors, this option ensures you have everything you need. Its paintable surface allows for a custom match to your home's exterior. If you need a cost-effective and versatile solution that provides good coverage and a tidy appearance, this is a strong contender. What people say. The cover is made of durable material that has held up well against the elements. It effectively protects the outdoor unit from rain, snow, and debris, extending its lifespan. The design allows for adequate airflow, preventing overheating of the unit. Number 3. Airdeko Premium Mini Split AC Cover. Elevate your outdoor space with our decorative cover. Made from high-grade aluminum, it blends seamlessly with your home while shielding your unit from debris and harsh weather, ensuring its longevity. This cover is built to withstand extreme weather, resisting rust, corrosion, and fading. It provides year-round protection for your air conditioner, no matter the season. Invest in superior craftsmanship with this long-term solution. It's designed to increase your curb appeal and extend the life of your HVAC system, backed by a 15-year warranty. Installation is quick and simple, without needing any tools. You can mount it on the wall or place it freely around your condenser. All necessary tools for assembly are included. This versatile screen does more than just protect your AC unit. It can also stylishly conceal utility boxes or gas meters, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your outdoor space. What we like. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, this cover offers elegant and robust all-season protection against the elements and debris. It also boasts a long 15-year warranty, signifying a lasting investment. If you prioritize superior durability, a sleek aesthetic, and long-term peace of mind for your outdoor unit, this premium option is ideal. What people say. The covers were completely surrounded by styrofoam and the corners of the box were reinforced by extra cardboard. It came in a heavy-duty cardboard box. The product was bubble-wrapped and then placed in a plastic sleeve. Then they used styrofoam and a softer padding for further protection. Then they give you gloves so you don't cut yourself when assembling the cover. Durable, attractive, providing good protection to the AC condenser. Number 2. LXKCKJ 420D Heavy-Duty Waterproof Air Conditioner Cover. Introducing our premium AC cover, engineered with superior 420D Oxford fabric. It's designed to withstand the harshest elements, offering robust protection against hail, UV rays, and extreme temperatures. Our innovative design features structured air vents that effectively block precipitation while preventing internal condensation. This ensures your unit stays dry and protected, even in severe weather. The sturdy, waterproof top effectively blocks rainwater, snow, leaves, and other debris. This not only keeps your unit clean but also helps maintain its optimal efficiency and extends its lifespan. Designed to fit most standard outdoor AC units, installation is a breeze. Maintenance is just as simple, just wipe clean or rinse, and it dries in minutes. We stand by our product with a 1-year replacement promise. If your cover fades, tears, or fails, we'll provide an immediate free replacement without the need for a return. When not in use, it stores compactly in the included carry bag, making it convenient to transport and store. Protect your investment with confidence. What we like. Constructed from extra thick, waterproof 420D Oxford fabric with a unique moisture control system, this cover offers exceptional year-round defense. It's designed for a universal fit on most standard units and is easy to maintain. If you need reliable, all-weather protection that prevents condensation and is simple to clean, this heavy-duty cover is an excellent selection. What people say. The materials are lightweight yet very durable while being breathable and water-resistant. The combination of adjustable drawstring, Velcro seam and garter strap keep it quite secure to mitigate wind disruption. This is a simple and great design with a vent flap to eliminate mold rust. Number 1. BEWAVE 3 10-foot Mini Split Line Set Cover Kit. Introducing the BEWAVE Mini Split Line Set Cover Kit. This professional-grade PVC frame is designed to shield your ductless system from sun exposure, ensuring a longer lifespan for your air conditioner or heat pump. Crafted from ultra-durable, weather-resistant PVC, this tubing cover is built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It will protect your AC lines for years without fading, cracking, or deforming. Our tubing cover offers a wide application, suitable for most mini-split or central AC systems ranging from 700 to 24,000 BTU. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing setup. Experience a quick and easy installation process with this kit. Fewer screws are needed, saving you significant time and installation charges. It can be added to any previous or existing installation with ease. Keep your piping neat and organized for a professional appearance on your external wall. This cover not only enhances aesthetics but also extends the lifespan of your air conditioner by reducing maintenance needs. Plus, you can paint it to match your home's exterior. What we like. This cover is made from ultra-durable, weather-resistant PVC that can withstand extreme temperatures without fading or cracking. It's suitable for a wide range of mini-split systems and is designed for quick and easy installation. If you're looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution that keeps your lines organized and protected, this is a practical and effective choice. What people say. Works well with my mini-split line. Parts are easy to put together, create a clean solution to make my house looks professionally done. Easy to install, covered the AC lines appropriately. The cover is long enough for the standard 8-foot wall. The plastic is thick enough that it should last many years to come. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.